Hello, hello, hello. I'm Kim, your positive shift navigator, and welcome to another episode of Know Your Crystals. This episode is going to be about agate. Agate is one of the most grounding and stabilizing stones you can find, known for its stunning bands of color. Agate is a type of chalcedony, a variety of quartz that forms in layers, creating mesmerizing patterns unique to each piece. This stone is all about balance. Agate helps with emotional stability, mental clarity, and inner peace. It's known to soothe anxiety, promote self-confidence, and encourage a deep sense of security. Agate is connected with multiple chakras. Depending on its color, this particular one is connected to the Crown Chakra, which is on top of the head. You can find agate all over the world, including Brazil, India, the United States, Mexico, Morocco, and Madagascar. Each region produces its own unique variety, adding to the beauty and diversity of this powerful stone. Whether you wear it in jewelry, rings, earrings, necklace, meditate with it, or keep it in your space, you can also put it on your chakra. And put it on top of the crown of your head. It is a powerful tool for bringing harmony, protection, and stability into your life. Let agate be your guide to grounding and balance. Are you ready to harness its energy? I look forward to seeing you in the next episode of Know Your Crystals. And if you like this video, feel free to hit the comment button and put a comment in, or hit the like button. So I will see you later. Bye.